Program is Bachelor of Science in Botany, second year, semester 4. Course code is BOS 102. Course title is Herbal Technology. This is Unit 1, Herbal Medicines. Module name is Herbal Remedies for Holistic Health. Myself Ashish Prabhugaonkar, Assistant Professor at DCT's Dhempe College of Arts and Science, Panji, Goa. In this module, we are going to learn the role of herbal remedies in achieving complete well-being of health. At the end of this module, we should be able to explain role of herbal remedies for achieving the holistic health or complete well-being of the health. Our bodies are designed to exist in nature. In fact, we have evolved in nature. It is no surprise that herbal medicines is one of the oldest ways in which humans have supported their holistic health and well-being. We live in a time of great imbalance. Today, the pollutants in environment are increasing. The chemicals in our food are also at the level which is never before. So, society also is feeling ill effects of this and is looking for better options for personal well-being. There has been never time before wherein people were looking for alternate medicines or alternate approaches to get well-being of health. What is holistic medicine? Holistic medicine believes in gaining proper balance of life rather than just driving away symptoms of the disease or getting rid of a illness. It believes in healing of mind, body, spirit, emotions along with the healing of the disease. A holistic doctor, for example, may not rely only on allopathic medicine, but he will take care of all health needs, such as for that he may use conventional medication, he may use alternative therapies. Therapy in holistic medicine include patient education of lifestyle changes, self-care, promoting wellness and balance of diet, exercise, psychotherapy, relationship, and spiritual counseling. Herbal remedies are also of choice in this practice. So in this module, we'll see role of herbal remedies in holistic medicine. Herbal remedies for most common ailments were always handy to the experienced person of every household, just a generation before. They were used, for example, in child care, women's health, treatment of cold and cough and fever, care of elderly. All these common ailments were taken care in the household using the herbal remedies. However, this practice has remained as an art of curing the ailments rather than looked upon as a science as we look at modern medicine. It is estimated that world over nearly 3/4 of drugs which are used are coming from herbal origin. These traditional practices of traditional medicine can provide us valuable guidelines in selection of these herbal remedies for preparation of herbal formulations which can be incorporated in modern medicine. We have many popular systems world over which are using herbal remedies. For example, Ayurveda, the Chinese traditional medicines, Arabic medicine, Unani, and various indigenous medicines all contains herbal remedies. Herbal remedies not only provide respite from pain but also contribute towards complete well-being and optimum health. with its many associated health benefits. Today, these herbal remedies are often replaced by chemically synthesized tablets, syrups with significant side effects. Now that we know a lot about herbal remedies and their beneficial health effect, lot of research is available and we are equipped with information and sense of rational inquiry. Herbal remedies of past are finding newer acceptance globally. Historically, herbal products have remained an integral tool of medicine in all the traditional medicinal practices. So, although synthetic pharmaceuticals are now dominate the drug scene, medicinal plants continue to hold an importance in rural household and are regaining popularity among urban population. Finding of recent research on health benefit associated with common herbal remedies has also led to increase in interest in herbal products among urban population. The number of patients seeking alternate herbal therapy is, for example, growing exponentially. The integrated treatment systems aiming at holistic health are being looked upon as future of medicine. Coming to scene in Goa, we are blessed with abundant natural vegetation and carefully nurtured plant diversity around us. These includes native plants as well as the introduced valuable medicinal plants, as many of the different cultures were interacted with Goan culture. Some of the household plants being used regularly as herbal medicine are bale, neem, turmeric, tulsi, aloe vera, adulsa, ajwain, mint, kiraite, vekhand, satvin, vatla, shatavari, hirda, goting, brahmi, punarnava, siteche, ashok. All these are common names in Goan household. They are often administered in the form of decoctions, infusions, paste, powder, extract, in to drive away common household as a common household medicine to drive away ailments, and also healing patient to reduce pain and faster recovery from some of the diseases. The remedies like this present in native culture has many herbals which are also used as a part of our cuisine. These herbals are taken intermittently as preventive medicine in order to achieve holistic well-being. For example, in Goa we have practice of taking kiraite or neem leaves extract, which to as a preventive medicine. Many of these herbals like turmeric, coriander, cinnamon are part of our traditional cuisine. So all these can be explored as a tools for achieving holistic health. These are my references. Thank you.